Hi guys, and welcome to a new video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to create a brand new Google account. So the first thing you'll need to do is go to your browser and type in www.google.com. After this, you'll need to navigate to the top right and click Sign In. Once you're here, you want to create an account and you want to create it for yourself. Once you're on this page, you want to put in your name and your last name. Now I'm just going to make a name up here just for this video. You want to create a unique username also. So I'm just going to choose this, and then you want to create a unique password which you can remember, and hit the next button. And now you'll be greeted with the verify your phone number area, and you want to put in your phone number. Once you've done that, you want to hit next, and you'll receive an SMS code to your mobile phone. Once you've received this, you'll want to type it in. And hit the verify button. You'll then be greeted with an area where you can add a recovery email address. However, if this is your first email, you obviously won't have, so you can skip this section. And then you'll also need to enter a date of birth. Now for this sake of the video, I'm just making one up, but please use a real date of birth. It will help you recover in your account. And in the next box, you have an option of selecting your gender. And then hit the next button. Okay, you'll get furthermore customization options. I decided to skip it as it's not necessary at this time. And then you'll be given the privacy terms agreements that you'll need to press accept to, or I agree to rather. So click I agree. And there we have it. Your brand new Google account has been created. If we look at the top right hand side there, you can see I'm logged in as John. And if you look underneath it, you're greeted with your profile icon, which you're logged into as well. And if you click the Google Apps icon, you can see all the different types of apps you have access to now. Google Maps, YouTube, Google Play, Gmail, Google Drive, Google Photos. Now, one of my personal favorites and a lot of people's favorites is the Gmail service, which I'm going to click now just to show you how a brand new Gmail account looks. And there you have it. You'll be greeted with the brand new Gmail welcome, which you now have access to along with all the other Google services. That concludes the video, guys. Thank you very much for watching. If the video was helpful, please give it a like and subscribe if you want to, of course. I'll see you on the next one.